Good morning, it's Tuesday, February the 16th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, I'm back from a week of vacation, feel refreshed, ready to go. It was also a big weekend. We had Valentine's Day. Hopefully you bought your special someone something special for them to remember you by. And yesterday here in Canada, we had Family Day, and in the States, it was President's Day. So a whole bunch of celebrating going on. Hopefully everybody's relaxed, ready to get back to business. I've got two press releases for you, one from the U.S. side, one from the Canadian side, and one halt to report on the second segment. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called New Dawn Mining. They trade on the TSX. That's the big board under the symbol ND. The company is announcing their Q1 financial results for the quarter ended December 31st, 2009. New Dawn is a junior gold producer, and their numbers reflect that fact. They've got net income of $927,000 as compared to net income of $640,000 from the previous quarter, which ended September 30th, 2009. It represents a 45% increase, so production is definitely on the way up. They had revenue of $3.96 million compared to $2.77 million again for the quarter ended September 30th, 2009. That's a 43% increase. And in terms of production, they produced 3,604 ounces of gold during the quarter ended December 31st at an average sale price of $1,101 compared to 2,907 ounces sold at an average of $956 per ounce in the previous quarter. So all the metrics are definitely pointing towards a positive. New Dawn is definitely on the move. A little bit about New Dawn. They're a Zimbabwe-focused junior gold company currently expanding gold production at its Turks and Anglis mine, exploring for gold, and identifying and pursuing other development projects. Company's last at $1.07, high of $1.85, low of 41 cents, market cap of approximately $31 million. Now, moving over to the U.S. side, China Precision Steel. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol CPSL. The company is announcing second quarter fiscal 2010 results. They are a niche precision steel processing company engaged in producing and selling high-precision cold-rolled steel products. We've got their second quarter highlights, which include revenue increased 53% year over year to $27 million. Gross profit was $3.6 million with 13.5% gross margin. Net income was $2.6 million versus a net loss of $2 million in the second quarter last year. So that's a big turning point right there. And their financial condition as of December 31st, 2009, the company had $13 million in cash and cash equivalents with no long-term debt. The company's last at $2.30, high of $3.49, low of 86 cents, market cap of $107 million. Now, moving on to the halts, I've only got one for you. Gold Standard Ventures Corp on the TSX Venture under the symbol GV, halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. Hopefully you all have a tremendous day and join us here again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.